Hey there! You've tried everything, scientific methods, advice from CEOs, TED Talks, and expert research, but you still find yourself endlessly scrolling. You're not alone. Nearly 80 to 90% of adults struggle with this habit. But here's the truth. It's not just a habit anymore, it's an addiction. So today I'm skipping the usual definitions and boring tips. I'll share practical, real-world hacks that actually work, based on my personal experience. And trust me, these hacks will change how you use your phone forever. But before we dive in, hit that subscribe button so you don't miss powerful content like this. Now let's begin. First, accept that this is a widespread issue. You're not abnormal. Overcoming mindless scrolling isn't about quitting cold turkey. It's about regaining control. Small, consistent changes lead to lasting results. Let's start with a simple hack. Create a separate Instagram account with no personal connections. Only follow pages that inspire you, educational content, art, fitness, or history. Here's what happens. You start enjoying valuable content. You naturally reduce engagement with mindless entertainment. Your brain begins associating social media with learning instead of wasting time. Now, trick your brain. Every time you pick up your phone, remind yourself. Excessive screen time leads to poor sleep, dark circles, and stress. Your mind will start associating scrolling with negative outcomes. Instead of ignoring app reminders, act on them immediately. Stretch, clean your room, or make a cup of tea. It tricks your brain into breaking the scrolling loop. Next, redefine your social media habits. Before watching a video, ask yourself, is this content educational or just entertaining? Will this video benefit me in any way? Is this something I can skip right now? This simple habit increases mindfulness and reduces wasted time. Let's talk digital detox. Keep your phone in another room while working or relaxing. Use your laptop for essential tasks and reduce impulse scrolling. Invest in a paid online course. When you pay for something, you're more likely to stay engaged and prioritize learning over distractions. Try leaving your phone at home during short walks. Give your loved ones an alternate contact number for emergencies. Fresh air and real conversations will reset your brain. Build long-term discipline. The first and last hour of your day should be phone-free. Instead of scrolling, visualize your day, meditate, or write a to-do list. It will change your relationship with your phone. Engage in simple, quiet chores without your phone. Trust me, this brings a unique sense of satisfaction and helps you disconnect from screens. You can't stop scrolling overnight, but with these simple, mindful changes, you'll notice a shift. You'll become more intentional, productive, and happier. So start today. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more life-changing tips. Now take the first step, put your phone down and start living.